This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Fusion. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Sirius satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 58,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford's pre-owned certification includes a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.